Getting a facial that naturally lifts and sculpts the face. Massaging. Gua sha. Jade roller. Lymphatic drainage. Electrocurrent. 10 tenths would recommend. No filter.
Three ways I combat dark under eye circles. Number 1, facial massage. One of the leading causes of dark circles is congested sinuses that causes stagnant blood to pool below the eyes. Try these 3 moves.
There's a few Chinese medicine cosmetic massage techniques you can do on your underneath, all of it. Turn the head on the side, and you're using your nails, you're scratching.
This facial is insane. I've never had anything like this. Next up in the facial series is Sula Foss. I got recommended this a ton. They're known for this treatment, the Triple R. I was feeling a bit puffy, so I was curious to see if I could tell a difference. Amanda, the founder, was doing my treatment, and it was so incredible, I cannot explain it. She uses this like massage ball and applies so much pressure in the best way. The whole treatment is focused on relieving tension, and the best way she explained it was like fixing my posture, but of my face. Really focused on the inside out, and oh my gosh, I had so much jaw tension I did not even know about. This is not a treatment that's like about the products, it's way more about the actual techniques. This is where things get a bit crazy. She goes inside the mouth and starts massaging. This actually felt so good. It looks insane on camera. There's truly so many areas of your face that you hold tension and you never really massage or relax. Then we're doing microcurrent, which always makes my face twitch, and I had the giggles. Then we brought up the big guns. This is a cryotherapy. This experience is so incredible. I can't even call it a facial. It's so unique. There's no other place like it. From the tension relief to the depuffing, it was amazing. I loved